Top 3 best Forex brokers for US clients. What if I told you that choosing the wrong Forex broker could cost you more than just a bad trade? Stay with me because today we're breaking down the top 3 Forex brokers for US traders. And by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your style, your budget, and your trading goals. Number 3. Oanda. Let's start with a classic. Oanda has been around since 1996 and it's one of the most recognized names in Forex. The biggest advantage? Transparency. Oanda publishes its historical spreads, giving traders a real idea of costs before they even open an account. That's rare in this industry. Oanda also offers no minimum deposit, which is perfect for beginners testing the waters. Their trading platforms from MT4 to the Oanda Trade app are sleek and simple to use. And for those who like automation, they support powerful APIs. But here's the downside. While Oanda shines in transparency, their spreads can be slightly higher than some competitors. Also, their research tools are not as deep as other brokers. So who's it for? New traders who value honesty, simplicity, and want to start small without being pressured into big deposits. Number 2, IGUS. Next, we have IGUS. This broker is a heavyweight. Globally, IG has over 45 years of experience in trading services, and when it comes to the US market, they stand out with extremely tight spreads as low as 0.8 pips on major pairs. IG's biggest advantage is the sheer depth of resources. You'll find advanced charting, daily analysis, and a powerful educational hub. If you're the type who wants to learn while you trade, IG is like having a trading school and a broker rolled into one. The drawback? IG requires a $250 minimum deposit. Not huge, but it's still a barrier for someone who just wants to test Forex casually. Their platform also leans toward the advanced side, which may feel overwhelming for beginners. Who's it for? Intermediate traders. People who are serious about Forex, want competitive spreads, and are ready to put in the work to understand advanced tools. Number 1, Forex.com. At the top of our list is Forex.com, and for good reason. This broker is regulated in the US by the CFTC and NFA, making it one of the most trusted platforms available. When we talk about reliability for American traders, Forex.com is hard to beat. The biggest advantage here is flexibility. You get access to more than 80 currency pairs, plus metals and other CFDs, all in one place. Their platforms include MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and a proprietary platform built for speed and customization. Spreads are highly competitive, starting at 0.8 pips, and you can choose between a standard account or a commission-based account with ultra-low spreads. That's a huge plus for traders who want control over how they pay fees. Now, no broker is perfect. Forex.com's customer support, while available, can sometimes feel slower during peak hours, and their advanced features might intimidate absolute beginners. But here's the truth. If you're a serious US trader looking for the most balance between cost, trust, and flexibility, Forex.com takes the crown. Final recap. So let's bring it all together. Oanda is best for beginners who want transparency and low entry barriers. IGUS is the choice for intermediates who crave low spreads and a wealth of education. And Forex.com sits at number 1 for advanced traders who demand trust, flexibility, and a professional grade platform. Remember, the best broker is the one that matches your personal trading style. Think about your goals, your budget, and how much time you're ready to commit. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more. This video and all the content on this channel are for informational and opinion purposes only. They do not constitute financial, health, or professional advice.